Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Oreo pudding. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need instant vanilla or chocolate pudding mix, milk, and a package of Oreo cookies. This dessert is incredibly simple and perfect for any occasion. We'll start by preparing the cookie base, then move on to the creamy pudding layer. It's a delightful treat that comes together quickly with minimal effort, ensuring a delicious result every time. To begin, ensure you have 1 small box of instant pudding mix, either vanilla or chocolate, and 2 cups of cold milk. Next, take about 15 to 20 Oreo cookies and place them in a Ziploc bag. Use a rolling pin or the back of a spoon to crush them into fine crumbs. These crumbs will form the delicious base and topping for your pudding dessert, adding that signature Oreo crunch. Now, in a medium bowl, whisk together the instant pudding mix and 2 cups of cold milk for about 2 minutes. The mixture will start to thicken nicely. Once the pudding is ready, it's time to assemble. Layer some of the crushed Oreo crumbs at the bottom of your serving dishes, then add a layer of pudding, and repeat. Finish with a final layer of crumbs on top. Place your delicious creations in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill and set. After chilling, your easy Oreo pudding is ready to be enjoyed. The layers will be perfectly set, offering a wonderful contrast of creamy pudding and crunchy cookie. You can garnish each serving with a whole Oreo cookie or a sprinkle of extra crumbs for an even more appealing presentation. This dessert is always a crowd pleaser and so simple to make. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.